Welcome to this comprehensive overview of PieDAO, a powerful platform designed for DeFi enthusiasts and crypto investors. PieDAO is known for its decentralized governance and smart index products that allow users to invest in diversified crypto portfolios with ease. The platform offers tokenized baskets, or pies, that make it simple to access diversified exposure to different sectors, such as DeFi, Layer 1 blockchains, or thematic investments. To get started, visit the PieDAO website. You will see a sleek interface featuring various pie products. Each pie represents a portfolio of cryptocurrencies designed for a specific theme or strategy. Click on any pie to view its details, including the underlying assets, performance, and allocation strategy. For example, DeFi Plus S includes a basket of small-cap DeFi tokens, while BCP provides exposure to blue-chip cryptocurrencies. PieDAO leverages the power of DAO governance, which allows token holders to vote on proposals and influence the platform's future. You could participate in governance by holding DAO, the native governance token. This ensures that PieDAO remains decentralized and community-driven. When you're ready to invest, connect your wallet using MetaMask or any compatible Web3 wallet. Once connected, you can purchase a pie directly with Ethereum or stablecoins. The platform also provides details on expected returns, rebalancing frequency, and any associated fees, ensuring transparency and informed decision-making. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Additionally, PieDAO offers yield farming opportunities. By staking certain pies, you could earn extra rewards in the form of DAO tokens. This feature is perfect for users looking to maximize their DeFi experience. The staking process is straightforward. Just navigate to the staking page, select your preferred pie, and follow the on-screen instructions. If you ever want to exit your position, PieDAO allows you to redeem your pie for its underlying assets. This flexibility ensures that you maintain control over your investments at all times. Sign up today using my link https://lnk.do/jquucoif to receive a bonus as a new user. Dive into the world of decentralized finance with PieDAO and discover how smart investing can transform your crypto portfolio. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take part in the future of finance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps me bring you more valuable content.